In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and use Houzz, one of the most comprehensive platforms available for home design, renovation, and shopping. If you're looking to redesign your home or find professional services, Houzz is a great tool. Let's dive in and get started by visiting the Houzz website at houzz.com. Once you're on the main page, you'll notice it offers a range of options for both homeowners and professionals. One of the features you'll want to explore first is Find Pros. This section allows you to search through a variety of professionals, from architects to interior designers, who can help bring your home projects to life. Just click on the Find Pros link to begin exploring these possibilities. Next, take a look at the Software tab. This feature offers design software that you can try for free for 30 days. It's perfect for those who want to play around with their home layout and see different design ideas in action. All you need to do is click on Software to get started. Moving along, you'll find the Ideas section. This is where Houzz really shines as a source of inspiration. Packed with articles and photos, it's a treasure trove of design concepts from real-life homes. Simply click on Ideas to dive into a world of creativity and find something that resonates with your vision. Now, if you're in a shopping mood, you'll want to explore the Shop section. Houzz offers a marketplace filled with furniture, decor, and more, allowing you to purchase items that suit your design tastes. Click on Shop to browse through a diverse range of products. But what if you're not quite sure which professional services you need for a project? Head over to Get the Right Pros for your project to connect with the perfect match for your home renovation or decorating needs. It's a smart way to make sure your project runs smoothly and efficiently. Ever wonder what services are trending? Check out popular services to see what others are interested in. This can be particularly useful if you're in the planning stages and want to know what options are available. If you're considering a bigger project, like home design or remodeling, make sure to spend some time in the Home Design and Remodeling section. This area showcases possibilities for transforming your current space into something amazing. And don't forget about your outdoor areas. Outdoor and Garden provides various ideas and products to enhance your exterior spaces as well. For those focused on updates and maintenance, the home improvement and home services solutions might be exactly what you need to maintain or improve the functionality of your living space. As you continue to explore Houzz, you'll discover many features that make creating your dream home both enjoyable and straightforward. Whether you're looking to refresh your decor or plan a major renovation, Houzz is your comprehensive guide to making informed and stylish decisions for your home.